Janet.
Hi guys, this is your boy Twelling's Visuals. Today we are constructing a set for Mufaro waShe music video.
Hi everyone, my name is Auji Chiremba. I'm the project manager for the Mufaro waShe video by Janet Manyowa.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're good. My name is Joshua. I'm here at Mufaro waShe set. This is day one. We are doing the preparation.
Hi guys, my name is K-Man. We are here on set for day one for Janet Manyowa's music video, Mufaro waShe.
Hello, my name is Janet, and I'm super excited to be here on the shoot for Mufaro waShe. It's overflowing joy all the way. Let's go.
So now we want you guys to pretend as if mazvinzwa radio, mazviverenga munews, mazviona pa TV. I'll just do as much as I can do for now with variety. I'll just place depending on my outfits now, and I'll don't put my colors. It's very hard to keep up with them. They have so much energy. It's just to look at the classy retro, and it's but energy yenyu I have no doubt ndakaudzwa ndakaona energy anongokudzirei. Came on again. We are on the second set for Janet's music video. As you can see, we've just constructed a life-size.
Very good. When you need.
This is scene 2 of Mufaro waShe. Watch out, it's coming.
Hello. Hi everybody, I am Lady Bishop Rugotania Madidi, and we are right here shooting the visuals for Mwari. It's amazing. It's really amazing. Let's go.
My name is Nyasha, and I was focusing on my Manyowa's hair, her touch-ups, dressing her up, and let me tell you, it's gonna be amazing. Get ready, get ready, get ready!
So now it's Tobin. I'm the assistant director for the video Mufaro waShe. It's gonna be amazing and it's gonna be lit. Just look at the set, guys. I can't wait for the video.
So guys, I couldn't wait to say this statement. The last 3 days, it's a chicken wrap!
Hey guys, Kieran here. It's a wrap for day 3. We were shooting the opening scene, which is going to be scene number 1 when you watch the video. It's been an amazing 3-4 days from the concept to the execution with the team and everyone involved. It's been amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video as much as we enjoyed making it for you, for your eyes. Thank you.